Hi everyone, I am Francisco Sánchez, Senior Global Technical Sales Consultant at ProLeiT. I am thrilled to welcome you to Day 3 of IBA 2025. Over the past few days, I have the pleasure to connecting with many incredible and passionate professionals, from master bakers and innovative engineers, forward-thinking sustainability leaders. One thing is crystal clear, this industry is on fire with innovation. So today, let's talk about a hot topic that is driving the conversation here at the IBA, the most significant trends in baking industry and what their implication for the future. First up, sustainability. We are not just talking about green labels anymore. This goes deep. Today, sustainability is deeply embedded in the operation core of modern bakery, from implementing energy-efficient baking technologies and minimizing production waste, to sourcing ingredients more responsibly and adopting recyclable or circular packaging solutions. Sustainability is no longer optional. It's becoming a defining standard for the industry future. Next, we turn to digital transformation, a driving force behind the modernization of bakery operations. Technologies such as predictive maintenance, real-time data analytics, and dynamic recipe management are enabling bakeries to operate with greater flexibility, efficiency, and responsiveness. These innovations are not merely enhancements. They are essential tools for adapting to rapidly evolving consumer expectations and market demands. At ProLeiT, we enable this advancement through our integrated automation solution. Our batch orchestration system for production ensures seamless coordination and control across process stage, while our line management system enables real-time detection and resolution at packaging line, significantly enhancing operational efficiency and minimizing downtime. A smarter, sustainable, more efficient, and seamlessly connected baking industry is no longer a vision. It's becoming a reality. At ProLeiT, we are proud to be a trusted partner in turning this ambition into measurable results. We warmly invite you to visit us at Hall 13, stand G40. Let's shape the future of baking together.